Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your travel safety with ADT Security, beginner guide step by step clearly. To recover your travel safety with ADT Security, start by assessing your current security needs. Identify the areas of your home that require the most protection while you're away. Visit the ADT Security website to explore their range of security systems and services. Create an account on their site to gain access to personalized options. Utilize the online tools to configure a security package that fits your travel lifestyle. Consider features like surveillance cameras, motion detectors, and smart home integration. Once you've selected a security system, schedule an installation with a certified ADT technician. During the installation, ensure you understand how to operate your new system effectively. Ask questions about any features or functionalities you are unsure about. After installation, take time to set up your mobile app and connect all devices. Customize notifications to alert you of any unusual activity while you're away. Conduct a test run of your system to ensure it operates as intended. Familiarize yourself with emergency procedures in case of an incident. Before traveling, double-check that all doors and windows are secured. Set your security system to activate before you leave for your trip. Regularly review the security footage, if applicable, to ensure everything is secure. Stay informed about local crime rates and any alerts issued by ADT for your area. Finally, consider joining a local community watch program for added peace of mind. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.